Childhood is a short season. If you rest, you rust. We relish news of our heroes, forgetting that we are extraordinary to somebody too. The truth is that there is only one terminal dignity, love. And the story of a love is not important. What is important is that one is capable of love. It is perhaps the only glimpse we are permitted of eternity. Legends die hard. They survive as truth rarely does. When traveling with someone, take large doses of patience and tolerance with your morning coffee. The hardest years in life are those between 10 and 70. Every human being on this earth is born with a tragedy, and it isn't original sin. He's born with a tragedy that he has to grow up. A lot of people don't have the courage to do it. I cry out for order and find it only in art. People who refuse to rest honorably on their laurels when they reach retirement age seem very admirable to me. Age is not important unless you're a cheese. Everybody starts at the top, and then has the problem of staying there. Lasting accomplishment, however, is still achieved through a long, slow climb and self-discipline. From your parents you learn love and laughter and how to put one foot before the other. But when books are opened you discover that you have wings. The story of a love is not important. What is important is that one is capable of love. It is perhaps the only glimpse we are permitted of eternity. The good die young but not always. The wicked prevail but not consistently. I am confused by life, and I feel safe within the confines of the theater. Stardom can be a gilded slavery. Only the poet can look beyond the detail and see the whole picture. There's a little vanity chair that Charlie gave me the first Christmas we knew each other. I'll not be parting with that, nor our bed, the four-poster. I'll be needing that to die in. The worst constructed play is a Bach fugue when compared to life. Mere longevity is a good thing for those who watch life from the sidelines. For those who play the game, an hour may be a year, a single day's work an achievement for eternity.